classification of class Insecta or Hexapoda. Class Insecta is divided into two subclasses, Aterygota and Terygota. Aterygota are primarily wingless insects. Here metamorphosis is totally absent or slight. In case of Terygota are winged insects. Here metamorphosis is present, either it is hemimetabolous or you can say holometabolous. Further, subclass Aterygota is divided into four orders: Thysanura, Columbola, Protura, Dipleura. Example of Thysanura is silverfish, Columbola is springtail, Protura is Telson tail, Dipleura is Japygids. You can say subclass Terygota is further divided into two divisions, Exoterygota and Endoterygota. Exoterygota, here in this case wings developed externally. In Endoterygota, wings developed internally. In case of Exoterygota, metamorphosis is incomplete or paurometabolism, that is false metamorphosis, whereas in case of Endoterygota, metamorphosis is complete or holometabolous. In case of Exoterygota, pupal stage is absent, and in case of Endoterygota, pupal stage is present. Nymphs, immature stages in case of Exoterygota are known as naiad or nymph. In case of Endoterygota, they are known as larva. Further, you can say division Exoterygota is divided into 16 orders. First one is Ephemeroptera, second is Odonata, Plecoptera, Grylloblatoroida, Orthoptera, Phasmida, Dermaptera, Embioptera, Dictyoptera, Isoptera, Zoroptera, Socoptera, Melophaga, Siphonculata, Hemiptera, Thyssanoptera. Example of Ephemeroptera is mayflies, Odonata is dragonfly and damselfly, Plecoptera is stonefly, Grylloblatoideae, example is rock crawlers. Orthoptera, very important orders of this division, that is Orthoptera, in which comes grasshopper, locust, cricket, mole cricket. Under Phasmida comes stick insects, leaf insects. Earwigs comes under order Dermaptera. Web spinners, say ambids comes under Embioptera. Cockroaches, praying mantis comes under order Dictyoptera. Termites comes under Isoptera. Zoropterans comes under Orthoptera. Book lice comes under Socoptera. Bird lice comes under Melophaga. Head and body lice comes under Siphonculata. Bugs comes under Hemiptera, and thrips comes under Thyssanoptera. In you can say another division, that is Endoterygota, is divided into 9 orders. First one is Neuroptera. Example of this are antlions, owl flies, mantisip flies. Macroptera, example is scorpion flies. Lepidoptera, very important order of class Insecta, under which comes butterflies and moths. Trichoptera, example is caddisfly. Diptera, under this comes true fly, all the flies comes under order Diptera. Siphonoptera comes under this comes fleas. And another important order of Endoterygota is Hymenoptera, under which comes are pollinators, that is bees, wasps and ants. And Coleoptera, again very large order of class Insecta, under this comes beetles and weevils. And Strepsiptera, under this comes stylopids. Okay, thank you.